Hello guys, my name is Nadir Saeed and you are watching my YouTube channel Gardening Lover. Here in this video, my topic is natural and a variety of roses. My friends, flowers come in a thousands of different shapes and colors combinations, each with their own names and classifications. There are 4 lakhs types of flowering plants, so this might be impossible to explain them in a single video. Today in this video, I'm showing you the variety of roses and try to elaborate few points. My friend, there is nothing sweeter than the smell of the roses in the world. This stunning flower have many variety of colors and shapes. Planted gardens with the variety of roses brought from the different countries. Roses colors have number of colors, especially comes in purple, white, yellow, pink, and even deeper reds. Roses are the most popular flower type. Like the flower itself, the history of the roses is so very colorful. Roses have been naturally growing for over 35 million years. However, they were not known to be cultivated until about 5,000 years ago. Their uses began not just as a decorative touch to one's home, but they were also used for the medicinal purposes and to make perfumes, and their petals were even used for the festive occasions. Getting roses into the water quickly into the first step in carrying them. Fill a vase 3-4 full of fresh flowers, cool and tap them on the water. The roses will be absorbed the water, seeking up the nutrients that will travel into the balloon and create a lovely flower. Check the water level in your roses vase every day and add more water as needed. So guys, I have tried to explain the historical background of the rose and its type and nature, and also try to explain how you can save them for a new plantations. Hope you people like my video and you will subscribe my channel for the more exciting and nice videos. Thank you.